What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Twitter lags in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and search here X, and here you can see the update. Firstly, update your Twitter. After update your Twitter, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find X. Now click on it and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache and data of Twitter app. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. In last, you can see the option erase all data. It's mean factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, document, apps, any personal data in your device, it will be removed. Now enter your password to do factory data reset. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.